So hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to make a homemade dried fish, which we will use the two methods of salting and preserving our fish. We will use the wet and the dry salting, drying, and we will observe the changes that takes place in our food before, during, and after salting. And lastly, we will compare the finished product of the two methods of salting. And the materials needed are
chopping board, knife, weighing scale, small, medium, and large fish. The following are the standard operating procedure. Step 1. Weigh the fish. Next is wash the fish with water. Step 3 is to remove the internal parts of the fish and make a slit on the belly for small fish. For medium-sized fish, make a slit through the backbone and top of the head, and then wash it with clean water. For large-sized fish, it has the same procedure with a medium fish. We need to make a slit through the backbone and the top of the head. Then wash it with clean water. Step 4 is to prepare 10% brine solution. Then soak the fish for 30 minutes to leach out blood and remove slime and dirt. Step 6 is the curing stage. For dry salting, rub each fish thoroughly with salt, 1 to 4 parts by weight of fish or as your preference of saltiness of the fish, and transfer to a plastic bag or ziplock. Cure for 3 to 6 hours. Once in a while, turn over the fish to ensure rapid penetration of salt in fish. Then for wet salting, fish is weighed down with a plastic bag full with brine solution. Lastly is the drying of cured fish. Drain the fish for 15 to 20 minutes, after which do the sun drying. Cover it with a net and dry in the sun for 2 to 3 days or depending the size of the fish. So here is the finished product.